Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 9/19 of 2021. The stock was WYNN. This happened on Tuesday the 14th in the morning. Strategy based on a tier 2 gap. Entry on a 1-minute DTS sell setup, be the tail type of entry. Management simple, reward to risk about 2.2 to 1. This trade lasted about half a day. It was exited going into lunch. Before we get to the trade, as usual, let's take a look what's going on this week. Couple of events for free members. Monday is the bi-weekly scanning night. We haven't had one of these in 4 weeks because they're bi-weekly, and the last one did not occur because it was the Labor Day weekend. So Monday night, 5 o'clock, you'll get your invites if you're a DTS member. If you're not a DTS member, hop on over to the DTS homepage and find out how you become a free DTS member. And then Wednesday, a second event, is going to be the educational event for DTS members. It is titled Common Bad Habits That Plague Traders. This will be a good one. Come join us. It'll help improve any trader, whether you're new or even if you're more experienced. Here's the daily chart for WYNN, WYNN. This happened on the 14th on Tuesday, and this is based on a gap. So we're going to see that's what the chart looked like before the day of the trade, and then you're going to see us gapping down to right there, and boom, that's what it looked like after the day of the trade. And I managed to capture that second target right down to the very low of the day. Good exit on this one. This was a very nice gap as it is, and I also have had a special preference toward gap downs because they work well in this market, significant gap downs. So I give them a little extra high on the rating because they tend to work. This one was good, even not considering that. Here's the 60-minute chart. Not a lot to learn here, just gives you a little better view of what was going on. We gapped under a bunch of consolidation there, headed lower for 3 straight bars, and then it hit the bottom. You get more view here if you take a look at the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, you can see we gapped down to right there. And then on that little comeback rally, I was kind of lucky it came back because I didn't chase this one lower and got that little area right in there under 94.70, stop over 96.50. Stock fell pretty nicely, and I took a target there. As you can't see it much, but it started to bounce a little bit there right at 10:30. It oftentimes is a morning low. So I took a first half right there. And then the second half, the intent was to hold to the end of the day. But I was sitting here and just happened to see this as it came down at lunch. That was a bottom, at least for the morning, if not for the whole day. There's no question when that happened. So I took the rest of the trade off right there, and it did prove to be the bottom. I got out just off the low of the day, so it was a nice target on that back. 1-minute chart gives you a little better view of what happened here. We opened, fell lower, came back, and on that retracement rally right there, I got short, just kind of on a little sell setup. Nothing really fancy there. Perfect little entry. You don't always get that handed to you, but when you do, it's very nice. You can see target 1 there came on that little boom right there, and then target 2 is off the chart here because it's down there underneath 95, taking it about 12:30. If you like trades like that, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Just hop on over to the DTS homepage and you can figure out how to join us. It's on the services page. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.